What up, folks? Welcome back to the channel. We're in Kern County area. This is the Keysville mountain bike trail. We're here with Kevin, Jerry, and Martin. Crystal's resting up in the Airbnb. We're here to ride some trails, mountain bike trails. And I fortunately brought Crystal's bike because it was either her bike or the Super73. I have a feeling this is obviously more of a mountain bike terrain. So I'm using Crystal's bike. She has the BBS02 build with a Luna Wolf battery on the Trek fuel frame. With that said, let's cue in the intro. I have not ridden Crystal's bike in a while. A little bit of a different feel. I might have the thinnest tires today. This is like a 2.1 thickness 26er. But I can already tell this is going to be a fun ride. I think I already see some jumps. Or, optional jumps. This is Jerry's type of terrain. Because he has some fat tires. Ooh, look at that. He has some fat tires on the scooter. Ooh. Oh my gosh. I'm letting Kevin lead because he reviewed the map. Honestly, I could have brought my Super73 too. On the 72 volt is what I brought on this trip. U-turn. Alright.
Stop rolling.
Come on, Jerry, you got this. You should have waterproofed it. Alright. Alright, where are we headed? Trying to keep up with these guys on Crystal's bike. Should be like an 8-mile flowy kind of trail, according to Kevin. We're heading back to town tomorrow, so today's our last night in Kern. So we're taking advantage of like somewhat of a sunset ride. Let's get it. Ooh-wee. Look at the view up here. Alright, a little bit of downhill action, I think. Oh, Jerry. Let it ride, Jerry. Yes, sir. Here's the flowy action. Jerry has his custom 50-mile-per-hour scooter. Dual suspensions. Whew. That was fun. That's the frame name of it? Velocifero?
Velocifero, yeah.
Okay. Italian. And he modded it to 60 volts with like triple suspensions. Like he mods all his other bikes. Or, EV toys, should I say. It's not really a bike. I just love it when someone's leading the group ride. I'm just here to follow along. Alright, what is it? Keysville Classic Trail. Uh-oh. Alright, let's get it. There's a bottom clearance for Jerry. And that scooter is so low to the ground. Oh, attack! Oh, nice, Jerry. He's got a 3,000 watt motor, 60 volt with I think he said 50 amp on the BMS and 25 amp capacity on that scooter. Oh, send this. Oh! Send that. I was landing on a sketchy sand after that jump. That part was kind of scary. Oh, this is steep as heck. Come on, bike. Yes, sir. Oh, snaps. So slippery. That was a jump, Martin. Ah, that was nice and flowy. Oh, we're pumping our legs today. Some good exercise. I just wish it wasn't so sandy in some parts. We're like drifting a lot. Bro. This is like Drift City. Oh, that's steep. Yes, sir. Oh, this is a technical uphill. Well, we got some friendly cows. Thank you, sir. Don't worry about us. Damn, that's a behemoth of an animal. I do not want to be chased by that. You. Top of the world, kind of. Holy shit, this freaking trail is actually sketchy. I could see why the scooter fell. Small wheels, easier to endo.
I thought rolling hills. This is not meant for like mountain biking.
Right.
I bomb this hills like you guys, but I'm not on a mountain bike. That's super steep, man.
We can go this way.
Look how steep it is.
Yeah, you can't go up that thing. It's fine. I get it. And obviously Jerry's giving up on us. He doesn't have a mountain bike, obviously. Jerry, didn't you get the memo? It's a mountain bike event. I'm just kidding.
I'm going out.
Let me try it.
Screw you guys. Go
Here, you have fun on this.
Well, depending on the road, don't crash, man, because
Oh, no, I won't.
the legs are already like bent.
Here we go. I don't know how to work this. Yeah, it's a smooth throttle. Oh, this thing is loud. Oh! Woo! All right. It's fun when it's easy road like this, easy fire road. But yeah, when it gets too technical, obviously. It almost feels like you're flying because you don't even see the wheel. The whole scooter is right under you. Turn, scooter. After 20 miles per hour, this thing kicks. Very nice. Maybe I'll get a wider handlebar. I think that would have a nicer feel. Because right now it feels like a child's thing, you know? It's like as loud as a surron.
On there because it was a toy before, so
Yeah.
it was more.
So this thing is definitely like a two-hand operating vehicle because it's such a short handlebar that you really have to keep your control and just gotta keep your hands on it. The way I see it. Oh, berm. I can't even get up it. These fat wheels don't really want to turn so much. Did you hit the berm?
Yeah, I went up.
Oh, nice. I tried a little. So you don't recommend me standing?
No.
Huh.
Right now it's bent.
Okay. Yeah.
Side paddle.
It's just my natural form, you know, on a bike. Yeah. It's like, okay. So technically, all of us here are like DIYers to some point. None of our bikes are like store-bought, you know, or EV, should you say? Good Lord. Good Lord. I really want to stand. There's so much bumps. Woo! Send it. 6 more cows and a little baby. It's so crazy how alone we are. We haven't seen any other soul out here, whether hiking, biking, of any sort. It's not even a weekday. What a ride. And just earlier, we just did river rafting with Sierra South. Totally recommend them. Especially right now, after the rain. The water level is like at an all-time high, 8 times than normal. And we hit up a lot of nice dips and got splashed all over. It's a really fun experience. If you're in Kern, that's pretty much one of the main things that you do. Whew. And this ride. I recommend this ride. Good choice. Really fun, flowy action. We have to go back up? Yeah. Oh, eventually? Where does this take us? Alright. Oh, that's cool. This is really cool. Kevin's our map guy. He's very good with maps. So like, if it's uncharted territory, I let him do everything. I do the behind the scene planning and timing of the Milky Way stuff. And yeah, he'll do the bike routes. Alright, we're heading back. It's getting dark. And we've done about 8 miles already, so it's going to be around 16 miles by the time we get back. Whew. So that's obviously not a stock motor, right? Huh? Obviously not a stock motor.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
I see that?
Oh, heads up, car. Yeah. It's alright. Dang, she's flying it.
I didn't know this was we could have died. I could have died.
Yeah, that's scary. Where did that car come from? We just said we haven't seen anyone in at all, and then all of a sudden we almost got pancaked, flattened. That car was flying.
I asked you the question how to get to the house.
Yeah.
Wow, that's dangerous, man.
Yeah, she came out of nowhere.
Imagine if you keep the corner and I was talking to you.
Right.
Fuck, that's the head on right there.
Alright, we're gonna watch the corners.
Like, man, that's a one light piece right there.
Whew. You're very lucky. Alright. Close call on the trails. Almost got ran over. Turn. Woohoo! Alright. The downhill portion. This one. Okay. A little bit of a lip there. Martin and caves, man. He loves caves. You found another cave? Hot dog. Alright, I'm gonna go with you. Did you not get almost run over by that car?
Yeah, no. Did they almost hit you? Actually, I almost hit her.
Oh, we got...
She came around the corner. Luckily, he and I were talking.
Yeah.
Down. I would have been dead.
We got blindsided. There's like a cage, dude. you can't go further. There's a barricade. I think Martin would have lived in here. There's nothing there. Oh, that light is so much better. You're the smallest one.
$100.
$100, he said.
Oh yeah, I'm totally 4 inches wide at my widest point.
All right, talk to us. What do you got in there?
Oh shit, there's a rattlesnake behind you. Buck, don't move. Oh my god. Julian, you see that?
That's a big one, dude.
Oh shit.
It's up your ass already.
Do you feel it?
So they barricaded it so people like you don't live in there.
Like the homeless?
No, like just anyone who wants to use it as a shelter. That's a good Airbnb. Lots of good stuff today. Found the cave. Almost got pancaked by a car, a speeding car, woman driver on a 5 road. Good times at Lickety Split, Sierra South River rafting. Got to see the Milky Way yesterday. Got to do the Trona ride. So all kinds of good stuff happening on this trip, and it's not over. We got some more stuff tomorrow. So that's going to be in today's e-bike adventure. Thank you for tuning in. Like and subscribe for more content. Hit up those discount links in the description below for discounts on a Super73, an arielrider, or an off-road DIY Bafang kit. This is E-Bike Adventures signing out. See you guys in the next ride. Peace. I guess just watch out for cars. That's something I never had to look out for on trails. You watch out for cars. But besides that, very flowy. Very nice and scenic. Alright, for sure, that's a wrap. 34 miles per hour, 35 miles per hour. This is the fastest I've gone on this bike. But it's so nice and smooth. 36 miles per hour. Crazy. Bomb it, Jerry. Fly, let loose.